Hey you guys, so I just finished watching Ashley Klaty's YouTube video about her makeup collection and her 2020 makeup goals, and I thought it was super interesting how she counted literally how many bronzers she had, how many blushes, mascaras, eyeshadows, literally everything, anything makeup related. So today I thought it'd be super fun to do that as well as share my makeup collection, which I know a lot of you guys have always asked me to share. Today's that video. Give it a thumbs up if you're excited for that. But yeah, so without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so here's first an overview of all of my makeup products, or where I store most of my makeup products. And yes, I use this desk as my vanity as well as my work desk. Y'all no judging, but I live in a New York studio, so yeah, the space we have is very limited. Now let's start with each corner. I just want to kind of give you a more specific overview of each section. So this one, we have a bunch of skincare and makeup products. Also, I do have a bad habit of keeping these products in their boxes. I don't know why I do that. Then before I move to this big old table, I want to go to this side table, which I think is like a TV table. We have my everyday products that I use all the freaking time. Like right now I'm using, okay, I don't want to get into that. Y'all did not come for that. But yeah, this is just an overview of all of my favorite everyday products, or even products that I want to try. I will literally put them right next to me because that is literally the only way that I will use them. Now moving to the main table, we have some skincare products that I have been loving. The Glossier, Super Bounce, and Future Dew. Then we have some Murad products, Smashbox Primer Water. Then behind we have the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. My favorite lippies, both high shine and matte. Then we have one of my favorite toners. Now moving to these makeup drawers. In the first, I'm going to do my best to try to open these. We have some Glossier products, some LA Girl products, Milk, Hourglass, and Stila. Then we also have this, more Glossier. Again, I have a bad habit of keeping the products in their original package. Then here's some CoverGirl. Love CoverGirl, you guys already know. And then here's some palettes, some face palettes, face powders, more liquid lipsticks from Pixie. This is what this one looks like. I'm not gonna go through each shelf. I mean, I don't know, I don't want to bore you guys, you know? Plus, I'm going to go through each product, or not through each product, but count each product up. So I'm sure you'll see each product up close as well. You guys, today I'm being very, very vulnerable. So please be kind with your comments and judgment. Now moving on to this dresser or drawer that I picked up, or makeup storage unit. I actually don't know what this is called, but I picked it up from Marshall's. And I'm gonna give you just like a quick overview of what's in each shelf. So this one actually has a bunch of random knickknacks, you guys can see from there. This one we have some makeup, some products from CoverGirl, Urban Decay, good old Clinique. Then here we have some TJ Maxx Beauty Makeup Finds. Oh my gosh, you guys remember that? Then here we have some Profusion goodies. Here, let me move that. Do you see them in all the palettes? Oh man. And the next one we have some goodies also from Profusion, but a little bit from CoverGirl as well. And some Pixie brushes right over there. Here we have some more CoverGirl goodies. Hold on. And then my friend gets PR from ColourPop, and she got the entire Disney designer collection, and I told her how I love, love, love Tangled, so she gave me the Rapunzel bundle. Cutest packaging ever. Yeah, we have some goodies from CoverGirl. Here we have some more TJ Maxx Beauty Finds, as well as some Ipsy Glamback products. Remember the fair brushes? I feel like they always have fair brushes in each of their bags or boxes. Then in this one we have some LA Color goodies, as well as a Tetris and Ipsy collab eyeshadow palette. I wonder who Ipsy is collabing with next. I know they last collabed with Betty Pop, or Betty Bop. And then some LA Colors stick-on nails, which I'm so mad I forgot about because I just got my nails done. Oh man, yeah, I'm using that next time. And then this one we have some more LA Color goodies. Oh, do you guys remember I did a video featuring all of these goodies? And I used some of them, but you know, they literally have like the same set in so many different shades. So it's like, yeah, I'm only one person. Then here are a bunch of goodies that I redeemed with my Sephora beauty points. So I got like this 500 point set from It Cosmetics and then Becca. Then here, oh my gosh, I'm so mad about this. I forgot about these. Yeah, I bought these back in, I think, like 2018. And now for the last section in this plastic container that I got from Target, I have some makeup products. It's like kind of organized. I mean, with these Ipsy bags and also makeup bags, but yeah, like look underneath. Yeah, so we have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes as well as Kylie lip kit. Oh, you guys, I was eyeshadow palette obsessed. Like, it's really bad. So yeah, I have to go through all of these now, and now let's count each item and see how many lip products I have, or lip glosses. Alright, so I want to first start off with my brow products. So here is my entire brow products collection. Oh my gosh. Okay, so just like Ashley Klaty did, I'm going to first give an estimate, and I think I have, let's say, a total of 50. Alright, so I just counted every single brow product, and I actually overestimated and actually have only a total of 41 brow products. Yay! Alright, so here is my mascara collection. Very similar amount to the eyebrow products collection. So I'm going to estimate probably 50. Oh wow, you guys, I actually overestimated by a lot and have actually a total of 23 mascara products. Wow. Alright, so here is my bronzer and contour products collection. Wow. It's so cool just to kind of put them all together, you guys. Like, I definitely recommend doing this, whether you make a video of your own or just doing it by yourself. But yeah, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna estimate 25. Wow, and I have exactly 20 bronzers slash contour products. Okay, so I was like very close with that one. Alright, so here's my entire blush collection. Oh my gosh, blush is definitely my favorite part of my makeup routine by far. Surprisingly, I don't have a lot of blush products. I kind of thought I'd have a little bit more. But yeah, I'm going to estimate I have a total of 40. Well, you guys, so with that one, I overestimated by a lot, and I actually only have 26 blushes in my entire makeup collection. Okay. Alright, now moving on to my highlighters collection. So here are all my highlighters. And wow, you guys, I gotta say, I'm kind of pooped. Oh my god, trying to gather up each specific product from different sections of my room, my studio. Woo, it takes a lot of energy. But anyways, I'm gonna estimate I have 30 highlighters. Oh my god, you guys, I was like almost spot on with that count, or that estimate. So I actually have a total of 29 highlighters. Okay, that was really interesting. I don't tend to wear a lot of highlighter, so I kind of expected my collection to be a little bit smaller than that. Okay, so here's my primer collection. I'm actually not surprised I don't have too many primers, just because I actually don't use a lot of primers. I know I probably should to make the makeup last longer throughout the day, but I don't know. If anything, I always use my Smashbox primer water. I'm gonna estimate I have 20. Alright, so I actually have a total of 14 primers. Yeah, not surprised about that number. Alright, so now moving on to foundation slash tinted moisturizers, powder foundation, BB creams, and etc. This is my entire collection. I think I have a total of probably 25. Okay, so I actually have a total of 21. That's not bad. Oh, that is not bad at all. Alright, so here is my concealer collection. I'm definitely a concealer-holic. I love my concealers. I love to cover my under eyes and just add some brightness right there. I'm gonna guess I have 30. Alright, so I'm pretty proud of this estimate because I was actually just 3 off. So I actually have a total of 27. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so the space on this carpet is getting really small. But here is my collection of setting powders and setting sprays. And I'm gonna guess I have a total of 25. Wow, so I was really close with this one as well. I actually have a total of 22 setting sprays slash setting powders. Okay, now moving on to the eyeshadows and lip products this time, you guys, for real. Oh my gosh, you guys. My lip products collection is crazy. Look at this stack. Oh my freaking gosh. So we have a mix of lip liners, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks. Wow. So yeah, my estimate for my lip products collection, I'm gonna say 150. Oh my gosh, you guys, that literally took like 30 minutes to count. Whew. Okay, so are you ready to find out how many lip products I have, from lip glosses to liquid lipsticks to lip balms to lip liners? Whew. I have a total of 305 lip products in my entire makeup collection. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, expect a bunch of declutter videos in the near future. But yeah, I was way off with my estimate. That's crazy. Over 300 lip products. We got only one lip. Alright, so we are nearing the end. This is our second to last product. Oh my gosh. So this is my eyeliner and eyeliner pencil collection. Y'all, I still like... Whoo! So anyways, my estimate is 50. I think I have a total of 50 eyeliner and eyeliner pencils. So none of you guys told me in my last clip that a piece of my hair was sticking out. How rude. Just kidding, just kidding. That was my own doing. But anyways, so it turns out that I have a total of 68 eyeliners slash eyeliner pencils in my makeup collection. Wow, so we actually underestimated. Alright, so now moving on to the last product, eyeshadows. Ah! Oh my gosh. We did it. We did it! Oh my gosh, so here is my entire eyeshadow collection. We have a mix of single eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, yeah, like that, and then a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. Wow, yeah, this was why I was kind of on a no-buy as far as eyeshadow palettes last year, because I just have a lot to work with. So my estimate for how many eye products I have, eyeshadow, single eyeshadows, eyeshadow glitters and stuff, is 200. I would say 200. Wow, so are you guys ready for the final count for the eyeshadows? Can you guys see it behind me? Oh my gosh. So I overestimated. I actually have a total of 124 eyeshadow products. Okay. I guess because I saw like all of these, all of the big eyeshadow palettes, I was like, oh, I got 200 for sure. So now I'm going to do some math and I'll be right back and calculate how many makeup products, or how many makeup products I have in my entire makeup collection. Alright, so for the final clip, I did change my hair. I hope it looks a little more decent. I know I've been looking like an egg the last couple of clips, or actually, yeah, a bunch of the clips. I literally woke up and was like, alright, we're gonna count. So anyways, for the final number of how many makeup products I have in my entire makeup collection, drum roll, I have a total of 773 makeup products. Wow, I'm kind of shocked, not gonna lie. I totally thought I had at least 1,000, if not more, because there was one year, y'all, I went really crazy. I would literally go to Sephora every single day. It was bad. But yeah, I have a total of 773 makeup products. Alright, well that concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing my entire makeup collection, as well as how many products I had in each pile or each section, as well as in total. Definitely stay tuned for some makeup decluttering videos. Oh yeah, and some future giveaways. That was like a horrible wink. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!